students, welcome back to the Google Classroom of Class 7 Geography, Chapter 6 Natural Vegetation and Wildlife. How are you children? I hope all of you are safe and fine there at home.
Today we would focus on temperate grasslands, thorny bushes and tundra vegetation. Temperate grasslands. These are found in the mid-latitudinal zones and in the interior part of the continents. Once more, these temperate grasslands are found in the mid-latitudinal zones and the interior part of the continents. Usually, grass here is short and nutritious. Wild buffaloes, bisons, antelopes are the common in these temperate grasslands. Wild buffaloes, bisons and antelopes are the common in temperate grasslands. This is the picture of temperate grassland. The next type of vegetation is thorny bushes. These are found in the dry desert-like regions. These thorny bushes are found in dry desert-like regions. Tropical deserts are located on the western margins of the continents. The vegetation cover is scarce here. Why? Because these regions are desert-like regions. The scanty rain and scorching heat are here common in these desert-like regions. So that's why the vegetation cover is scarce in this region. Okay. So these are the specialities of thorny bushes and these are found in the desert-like regions. Tropical deserts are located on the western margins of the continents and this is the picture of thorny bushes. Okay. Children, this is another important type of natural vegetation. This is tundra vegetation. The polar region are extremely cold. You have already learned about this polar region in the lower classes. The polar regions are extremely cold compared to the tropical and subtropical areas. The growth of the natural vegetation is very limited here. Okay, the growth of natural vegetation is very limited because of this extreme cold. Only mosses, lichens and very small shrubs are found here. It grows during the very short summer. It grows during the very short summer. This vegetation is found in the polar areas of Europe, Asia and North America. The animals have thick fur. Okay, these animals of this tundra vegetation have thick fur and thick skin to protect themselves from the cold climatic conditions. So why these polar animals have thick fur and thick skin? Because they have to protect themselves from the extreme cold climatic conditions of this particular area. Then seal, walruses, musk oxen, Arctic owl, polar bear and snow foxes are some of the animals found here. So look at this picture children. These animals have thick fur. This polar bear have thick fur and thick skin. Okay. In order to protect themselves from the cold climatic conditions. This is walrus and these animals have thick fur and thick skin to protect themselves from the cold climatic conditions. This is a speciality of tundra vegetation. This is another important natural vegetation and these tundra vegetation are mostly found in polar regions which are extremely cold regions. Okay. Then the growth of natural vegetation is very limited and only mosses, lichens and very small shrubs are found here only during the short summer seasons. So children, it's time to wind up our session. What do you mean by temperate grasslands? These temperate grasslands are found in the mid-latitudinal zones and in the interior part of the continents. And usually these grass are short and nutritious. Okay, then thorny bushes. These are found in the dry desert-like regions. Thorny bushes are found in dry desert-like regions, and the vegetation cover is scarce here because of the scanty rain and scorching heat. Then next one, tundra vegetation. The polar region are extremely cold, and this vegetation, tundra vegetation, is mostly found in these polar regions. The growth of the natural vegetation is very limited, and the animals have thick fur and thick skin to protect themselves from the cold climatic conditions.
So children, it's time to wind up our session. Please note that the corresponding URL, notes of the lesson and test paper are also attached along with this classroom. Make use of all these available resources, study well and attend the test paper without fail. Thank you.